Hi, in this video I am going to discuss about how to find a factorial of number in Python. For that, first of all I am going to create a new file. Right click on the project name, then new Python file. I am going to give name as fact. Then click on enter. Now the file is created. First of all, what is a factorial? How to find factorial of a number? For example, factorial of 3 is 3 into 2 into 1, that is equal to 6. In this way we can find the factorial of a number. Now we can write the program. First of all, we need to take a number as input. For example, n is equal to int of input of enter a number. I equal to, suppose I am giving a variable as I equal to 1. Then fact is equal to 1. These are two variables. I equal to 1, fact is equal to 1. Here I am using for loop for the iteration for I in range of 1, n plus 1. Then put a colon. Fact is equal to fact into I. Fact is equal to fact into I. I am going to print factorial. Print factorial. Factorial is fact. N is equal to int of input enter a number. In first step we need to enter an input. For example, we need to put 3 as input. We need to enter a number. So here the input type is int. Then enter a number. The value of I start with 1. In initial stage, fact is equal to 1. The iteration of I is ranging from 1 to n plus 1. That is, for example, we are inputting number as 3. The value of I ranging from 1 to 3. Then we are going to print fact is equal to fact into I. Then we are calculating fact is equal to fact into I. Then print factorial. Now we can execute the program. I am going to give 4 as input. So the factorial is 24. The execution of this program can be work like this. For example, factorial of 3 is 6. We know that factorial of 3 is 6. In step 1, I equal to 1, fact is equal to 1. Then we are entering to the for loop. Here the value of I ranging from 1 to n plus 1, that is 1 to 3. Then we are going to calculate fact is equal to fact into I, that is fact is equal to 1 into 1, that is 1. In the first iteration we will get 1. In the second iteration, step 2, here I become I equal to 2, fact is equal to, here fact is 1. The value of fact is now 1. Then we are going to print fact. Fact is equal to 1 into 2. That is 2. In the next iteration, the second iteration, the value of fact is 2. In step 3, I equal to 3. Here the value of I ranging from 1 to n plus 1. Here the value of I ranging from 1 to 3. In step 3, here the maximum value is reached, that is 3. The maximum value of I here is 3. Now the value of fact is 2. Here 2. Then we are going to print value of new fact. Fact is equal to 3 into 2. That is 6. In step 4, the value of I become 4. Then it will enter into the for loop. The value of I in range of 1, n plus 1. In this step, the loop will be terminating from this for loop. Then it will going to print factorial. The termination takes place from I is equal to 4. Then we will get the output as 6. In this way we can calculate factorial of a number. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.